guys, welcome to our vlog. Hi Zion, I can see you from here. We're passing through the bridge now. Bye tunnel. Wow.
Train.
Where? Oh yeah, I saw a train.
In the buildings.
Do you wanna go to 7-Eleven? Oh, the baby is tired now, guys. No? Oh, beautiful eyes ka if you're not tired.
Ba tayo?
Welcome to Hong Kong, guys. Zion is riding a big